Let me give you a short tutorial on video surveillance. Video surveillance has become very popular, and what I'm going to do is teach you some factors regarding video surveillance. Video surveillance works basically with any camera, any monitor, and any recorder. Now, interfacing these objects is the key. You'll have to understand that a camera will, if it's plugged in and powered up, work at all time, will not incur any additional cost, and will provide you with effective and efficient surveillance. The real challenge is getting the camera to the point where it's recording the information that you want on some type of medium. For instance, here we have a monitor, which is just a regular TV, and on top of that TV we have a switcher. This is an 8-camera auto switcher on which we're using 6 of the cameras, and if you notice, as it goes through the switcher, it's going through the range of cameras. Now, normally you can have a camera hooked into your RCA ports on the bottom of your television, and those ports are made specifically so that you can put a video source into them. However, just like when you used to plug in your VCR, you're just plugging in another source and you're changing your television to that video channel. Cameras come in all shapes and all sizes, all different types of configuration, and they work some with infrared sensors. You can take a regular video camera that you have used for taping the family. You can take a surveillance camera, and you can take cameras that have what's called infrared sensors on them, and these allow the camera to see at night. In addition to these types of cameras, there are all types of cameras in all types of situations today. You'll notice that there are dome cameras. These are the cameras you see in restaurants and generally hanging from a ceiling. They're low profile. You'll see all types of cameras and all types of converters. You'll see also here, this is a camera that goes on a license plate and sends a wireless signal to a monitor that would be inside your car so that you could see if and what you're backing toward. You have webcams, and any of these cameras can be adapted and used for surveillance. The main ingredient you need for recording is what's called a digital video recorder. Of course, you can use a regular tape recorder, but DVRs, or digital video recorders, are the mainstay today. These come in a variety of single channel, 4-channel, 8-channel, and 16 or more channels. This allows you to record any of the video that is being captured and then allow you to review them. Sometimes, in some situations, if you have an older set, you need what's called a converter. A converter will allow you to use the channel 3 of your old TV set and convert it so that the video will be able to be played onto your television. Sometimes you need other types of converters, such as a surveillance converter with a USB port that will allow you to then record onto the hard drive of your computer. Nevertheless, video cameras come in all shapes and sizes, and they do a whole range of things. DVRs come in all sizes also. In this instance, we have an 8-camera video recorder, and we're using a regular television as our monitor. The 8 channels cover 8 separate cameras, and the sources, which are the 8 cameras, are now recorded into this one digital video recorder that allows us to review, to show single channels, 4 channels, or all 8 channels simultaneously. The DVR is simply a hard drive that is recording everything and allows you to go to any time period, date, or time and see what occurred. Of course, the larger the hard drive on the DVR, the more information you can record and review. This is a basic tutorial on digital video recorders and cameras. If you have any questions or you want to know more about it, you can easily send us an email or call us at 617-628-2229. This concludes your basic tutorial on surveillance and digital video recorders.